Have you ever felt stuck, making the same mistakes over and over, wondering why you can't seem to break free from your past actions? I've been there. It's frustrating to see patterns repeat in my life, feeling like I'm caught in an endless loop of errors and regrets. Each misstep feels like a weight, holding me back, preventing me from moving forward and evolving. This cycle of repetition not only hampers my growth, but also saps my energy and joy. What if there was a way to understand why these patterns exist and how to break them, transforming my life for the better? Watch to the end. Every second counts. This video brings a message that could be the turning point you've been looking for. The ending will blow you away. Understanding karma is not just about knowing it exists. It's about feeling its impact in every aspect of my life. When I make a decision, I often find myself facing the consequences that seem to mirror my actions, sometimes in unexpected ways. This cause and effect relationship can be both enlightening and overwhelming, as it makes me realize the power of my choices. It's a constant reminder that every action has a ripple effect, influencing not just my present, but also shaping my future. This awareness of karma affects how I approach relationships and responsibilities. I become more cautious, striving to make choices that lead to positive outcomes. Yet the fear of repeating past mistakes sometimes holds me back from taking necessary risks. It creates a tension between wanting to grow and the anxiety of potential repercussions. This internal conflict can lead to indecision and stagnation, hindering my personal and professional development. Moreover, karma influences my emotional well-being. Holding on to past mistakes or grudges keeps me tethered to negative emotions, preventing me from experiencing true happiness and peace. It's like carrying an invisible burden that weighs me down, making it difficult to embrace the present moment fully. This emotional baggage not only affects my mood, but also impacts my interactions with others, creating barriers that limit meaningful connections. In my quest to break free from the repetitive cycle of mistakes, I stumbled upon the profound teachings of Paramahansa Yogananda. His insights into karma offered a transformative perspective that resonated deeply with my struggles. Yogananda taught that karma is not merely a system of cause and effect, but a continuous lesson designed to guide us toward personal and spiritual growth. This understanding was a revelation, providing clarity on why certain patterns kept reappearing in my life. Yogananda emphasized that every action we take creates an imprint, shaping our future experiences. This concept shifted my view from seeing mistakes as mere failures to recognizing them as opportunities for learning and evolution. He explained that by becoming aware of our actions and their consequences, we can consciously choose paths that lead to positive growth. This awareness became the cornerstone of my journey, transforming how I approached decisions and interactions. One of the most impactful teachings from Yogananda was the idea that karma is a reflection of our inner state. He believed that by cultivating positive thoughts and intentions, we can generate beneficial karma that supports our spiritual journey. This principle encouraged me to focus inward, fostering a mindset of love, compassion, and mindfulness. It was empowering to realize that I held the key to shaping my own destiny through conscious action and self-awareness. Yogananda also introduced the practice of self-inquiry as a vital tool for understanding and transcending karmic patterns. By regularly reflecting on my actions and their motivations, I began to uncover the underlying causes of my repetitive mistakes. This introspective practice helped me identify areas where I needed to grow and change, providing a clear path toward breaking free from detrimental cycles. Self-inquiry became a daily ritual, guiding me toward deeper self-awareness and intentional living. Embracing Yogananda's teachings felt like discovering a roadmap for personal transformation. His approach to karma was not about judgment or punishment, but about growth and enlightenment. This perspective inspired me to take responsibility for my actions and to view every experience as a stepping stone toward becoming a better version of myself. With Yogananda's wisdom as my guide, I felt equipped to navigate the complexities of karma and to harness its lessons for my continuous evolution. Embracing Yogananda's teachings meant committing to a journey of deep self-awareness and intentional living. He introduced me to the practice of self-inquiry, a method of examining my thoughts, actions, and motivations to uncover the roots of my karmic patterns. Each day, I dedicated time to reflect on my experiences, asking myself why I acted in certain ways and what lessons I could extract from each situation. This introspective practice was not always easy, as it required honesty and vulnerability, but it was essential for breaking free from repetitive mistakes. Yogananda emphasized the importance of mindfulness in every action, encouraging me to stay present and conscious of my choices. By cultivating mindfulness, I became more aware of the subtle influences that drove my behavior, allowing me to make deliberate decisions aligned with my higher self. This heightened awareness helped me identify negative patterns and replace them with positive, constructive actions. It was a transformative shift, turning everyday moments into opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Another key aspect of Yogananda's path was the cultivation of positive intentions. He taught that the energy we put into our actions directly influences our karmic outcomes. By setting clear, positive intentions, I began to steer my life in a direction that fostered growth and enlightenment. This intentional approach empowered me to take control of my destiny, knowing that each positive action contributed to my spiritual evolution. It was a powerful reminder that I had the ability to shape my own future through conscious effort. Yogananda also introduced the concept of service, or karma yoga, as a means of purifying my actions and intentions. Engaging in selfless service allowed me to transcend personal desires and contribute to the greater good. This practice not only generated positive karma, but also deepened my sense of connection with others and the universe. Through acts of kindness and generosity, I found a sense of fulfillment that went beyond personal gain, reinforcing the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of living harmoniously. As I continued to follow Yogananda's path, the principles of self-inquiry, mindfulness, positive intentions, and selfless service began to integrate seamlessly into my daily life. Each practice reinforced the others, creating a holistic approach to understanding and transforming my karma. This comprehensive method provided a clear roadmap for personal and spiritual growth, guiding me toward a life of greater awareness, purpose, and fulfillment. The journey was ongoing, but with each step, I felt more empowered to learn from my past and evolve into a more enlightened version of myself. As I delved deeper into the teachings of karma, the transformation in my life became unmistakable. I began to notice a significant shift in how I approached each day, feeling more empowered and in control of my destiny. Understanding that every action has a consequence allowed me to make more mindful decisions, aligning my choices with my higher purpose. This newfound awareness brought a sense of clarity and direction, eliminating the confusion and uncertainty that once plagued my path. It felt as though a fog had lifted, revealing a clear and purposeful way forward. Emotionally, the impact of comprehending karma was profound. I experienced a deep sense of peace, knowing that I was actively shaping my future through my actions. This realization alleviated the anxiety and fear that stemmed from past mistakes, replacing them with confidence and self-assurance. I no longer felt burdened by regrets, as I understood that each experience was a lesson designed to foster my growth. This emotional liberation allowed me to embrace life's challenges with resilience and optimism, viewing them as opportunities for further evolution. Physically, the benefits of understanding karma were equally remarkable. The reduction in stress and negative emotions led to an improvement in my overall health and well-being. I felt more energetic and vibrant, with a heightened sense of vitality that fueled my daily activities. This physical rejuvenation was a testament to the holistic nature of karmic understanding, demonstrating how mental and emotional shifts can lead to tangible improvements in one's physical state. My body responded positively to the inner harmony I was cultivating, reinforcing the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. Spiritually, the journey of understanding karma deepened my connection with the divine and the universe. I felt more attuned to the subtle energies that guide my life, sensing a profound unity with all that exists. This spiritual alignment brought a sense of fulfillment and purpose, as I realized that my actions were contributing to a larger cosmic balance. The teachings of Paramahansa Yogananda had illuminated a path of continuous growth and enlightenment, guiding me toward a life of harmony, wisdom, and eternal evolution. Embracing karma as a teacher transformed not only my actions, but also my very essence, leading me to a state of enduring peace and spiritual richness. Embracing the understanding of karma has fundamentally reshaped how I navigate through life. Each action I take is now infused with intention, knowing that it contributes to my personal growth and spiritual evolution. This awareness has brought a sense of responsibility and mindfulness to every decision, big or small. Instead of acting on impulse or habit, I approach each situation with a clear mind and a compassionate heart. This deliberate way of living has created a harmonious balance between my actions and their consequences, fostering a life of purpose and fulfillment. This deepened understanding of karma has also enhanced my relationships. I find myself interacting with others more thoughtfully, aware that every word and gesture has the power to influence not just my own karma, but theirs as well. This mutual awareness has cultivated a space of respect and empathy, allowing for more meaningful and supportive connections. I no longer take relationships for granted, recognizing them as opportunities for mutual growth and karmic harmony. This shift has led to stronger, more authentic bonds with the people around me, enriching my life in countless ways. Spiritually, understanding karma has deepened my connection with the divine and the universe. I feel more attuned to the subtle energies that guide my path, recognizing the intricate web of cause and effect that shapes my experiences. This awareness has fostered a sense of unity and interconnectedness, making me feel part of something much greater than myself. Meditation and self-reflection have become integral parts of my daily routine, helping me stay aligned with my higher purpose and karmic lessons. This spiritual harmony has brought a profound sense of peace and contentment, allowing me to embrace life's journey with grace and resilience. Imagine a life where every action you take is a step towards your own growth and enlightenment. How would it feel to understand the true impact of your choices and use that knowledge to evolve continuously? Embracing the principles of karma isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about harnessing every experience as a lesson for your personal and spiritual development. Are you ready to take control of your destiny and transform your life through the wisdom of karma? If this resonates with you, join me in exploring the profound teachings of Paramahansa Yogananda and discover how understanding karma can lead to your own growth and evolution. Subscribe to the channel, activate notifications, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Your path to a more conscious, purposeful, and fulfilling life begins now. Let's grow and evolve side by side, embracing the lessons karma has to offer.